Good morning, everybody. This is Josh, the mobile hose technician for Cross Hose and Fittings. We're getting ready to head out and do some hoses for a couple customers. Come on out and let me show you the van. We've got everything that you need, or that we need to do the hose fittings. We've got to be able to, a saw to be able to cut stuff. We've got all the hose. We've got tools. We've got the crimper to be able to crimp everything. Both bottom drawers here are completely stocked with all of the fittings, different sizes, different angles, anything that we need to be able to help get you back on to the job, back to doing what you need to do. All the way to fittings to be able to downsize, T's, 45s, elbows, anything that you can think of. Come around to the side of the van right here. Continuous stock on both sides here and in front of us. Even carrying tools in case we need to help do the job. All right, everyone, let's get in the van. Come along, take a ride with me. Let's go help a couple customers. All right, guys, now we're at the customer site here. We're gonna see exactly what they need.
I need that hose remade with about 1.5 inches added to it.
All righty, so we're gonna take this hose over to the van here. We're going to figure out exactly what fittings we need. Older hose, newer hose to get the customer back in business, crimp to spec. There you go, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thanks for coming along for the ride today. Give us a call if you need anything here at Cross Hose and Fittings. Like I said, my name is Josh, mobile hose technician. Please give us a call.